studying for no reason. No, and I'm about to take a nap before I study because I'm so tired. This nigga didn't even call me. Whatever. Private number. Oh, hello?
Hello?
Who's this?
This is the killer. I'm gonna kill you.
Whatever.
Yeah? I know what you're wearing.
What am I wearing?
Tank top, blue shorts,
I
blue
know
clip,
I'm wearing.
black
Hello?
phone. You're gonna die. Bye.
What the prank call isn't a night. Whatever.
Hello, sweetie.
It was just a dream. Thank God it was just a dream. Who is it?
Is Tamara home?
Tamara? No, it's only me.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no one is here. Why are you looking in my room?
I'll be back.
Okay. Why are you coming back? There's no Tamara here. Strange people. Whatever. I'm tired.
Is Tamara home?
No. Oh my God. Oh my God. I gotta call 911. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I'm gonna kill you to die! Die! I've been waiting so long for this moment to kill me.
I'm leaving.
She's a heavy one.